To install Google Chrome in Windows 10, you'll have to go to your browser, or you go to Search tab and you type Internet Edge or Microsoft Edge. You open any of those two browsers. Then we will go to our Search tab in the browser and we will type Google Chrome. We'll scroll down and open www.google.com/chrome or Chrome web browser, and from here, as you can see, we have the download button, so we'll just click download. I will deselect this help Google make better automatically sending user statistic data. I don't want to, so I will just deselect it. You can leave it if you want to, and then we'll click accept and install, and we will click run. Again, we will click run. We'll have to wait a few seconds, up to 2 minutes, and then the installation is totally finished. So then the installation is being processed. Make sure that you keep your computer connected to the internet while the installation is being performed, because usually it downloads certain files online, otherwise the installation will not work. Now that the download has been completed, the installation will begin, and this usually will take maximum 2 minutes to be completed. Now the installation has been finished. I have my browser icon, which appears now on my desktop, and this is the browser now working, and now you can enjoy working with your Google Chrome on your Windows computer.